Backstitch. I take the needle in my left hand and I lower it over the thread in my right hand, squeeze between two fingers. I take a bit of surplus thread back on itself, not too much, and I'm going to bring the needle up from the bottom to the top, a couple of holes in from the edge. Hold the thread so that it doesn't get tangled, and take the needle to the back and then to the front again. I've made one stitch. Now backstitch, you always go in front of your previous stitch, so the yarn comes out spaced once away from your previous stitch, and then you go back towards your stitch and bring your needle up one hole in front of the thread. So you go back to your previous stitch and then bring the needle up one hole in front of your thread. Back, in front again. So you see, that's why bending the fabric with your right hand is so important, because it means you can keep the needle on the front of the cloth, which prevents you from getting in a muddle. Now when I want to finish, I just go one stitch behind, come up again, secure the stitch again by going over the same stitch. And then when I go to the back, I try to work out the direction. You can see I'm doing that here, but I'm going to go under those little woven loops on the binker so that the yarn stays secure. Take it down and trim off the surplus. And that's backstitch.